Hi, good afternoon.
Hey, Rama.
Good afternoon, Rama. Good afternoon, Vilas.
Yes, okay.
How are you, Vilas? East Coast 5 p.m. OCP meetings.
Yep. Yeah, hanging in there.
Yeah.
All good.
Forgot to mention Rama on a Friday, especially.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Friday is mostly afternoons dedicated for OCP, the GPU meeting, and yeah.
Well, that's why during the, I guess, pandemic when we had this, my tradition was to open a beer at the end of the meeting, and that's how everyone knew the meeting was over. So,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. think yeah, last week there was a discussion about what other things we should do, right? Maybe let's wait for forum and
Good afternoon, good evening.
hi Anil.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Anil.
Hey, it's okay.
Yeah, Anil will be waiting for a few more minutes for others to join and continue the discussion on what are the things we need to focus on for next 6 months to 1 year.
Sure. If there's enough interest, I don't mind sharing the one of the presentation we are planning to do at the Global Summit.
What topic is that, Anil?
It's the large cluster PCI uncontrolled error handling.
Oh, yeah.
More focus on completion timeout.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Oh,
If you want, you can start. Yeah, maybe we can quickly go over and
yeah.
cover other topic.
Tanya seems to be under the impression that this meeting is canceled.
Oh, is there an email?
I don't know. Let's find out. I don't.
I don't see.
I don't see one. Oh, interesting. She's posting it. Like I guess it's like on the OCP webpage or something. She received an email this morning. Canceled hardware fault management OCP. So cool.
Oh, it came Friday 9:19.
Oh, I didn't get it at all. It's funny.
Anil, yeah, you can cover that maybe. Yeah, I see it Friday 10 a.m. I don't know why they canceled.
Sorry,
Hey,
did somebody cancel meeting?
we did. So hey, this is Drew, and we sent out an email canceling it today because we are heads down getting some stuff done. But one of the things that I just did moments ago was I took the final feedback from OCP and uploaded the final version of our doc. So it is, we have no more work to do. It is done.
Cool.
So
Nice.
yeah, thank you everyone.
Yeah.
And the final comment was stuff like there were some headings that were by themselves on a page, so I just moved some text around so that didn't happen. And then there were cases where we needed to use the trademark uh, or registered trademark symbol. Mike Allison at Samsung caught a bunch of stuff like that. So no major feedback. There were a couple of things in the poison section where we said something that didn't quite make sense. Like there were holes, and but it was close. It was pretty obvious what we were trying to say, so I just fixed it. So anyway,
Yeah, he's very active. Even when we tried to do last year GPU specs, he's the only one like went through the spec and provided feedback. I think
he's a
that's
former
good.
coworker of mine at HP.
Oh,
That's
okay,
funny.
okay.
I know Mike pretty well from that. We worked on Superdome firmware together.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. Last time I like he and one other person also was giving some feedback on steering committee. Yeah.
Yeah. So Yogesh and I have a surprise conference I'm presenting at next Sunday. So that or not the next Sunday, this Sunday. So um we're going to present some stuff at ITC. I'm going to give them an overview of RAS API, and just we're going to highlight some of the work we're doing here to try to integrate what we're doing here with the test community. We're not inventing anything. We're just kind of summarizing, what we're doing here, and inviting people to join us. Um, but so we're heads down on that, and I got the poison doc out. So the poison doc review is completed today. And so the only thing left for me is FMFM. And it looks like Mike had a little bit more, a few more comments there because it's memory and it affects Samsung more. He's from Samsung. So I'm waiting through that. But my goal is this afternoon to get all of those three out. And two of the three are done. And then in terms of the topics we're covering, please continue reviewing the document. And Rama pointed out that some of the forums had been combined. So I don't know, Rama,
Yeah,
if you
yeah. I can give quick update. Like there was like
here, I'll just share the doc if you want.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Unless you have it handy, I'm happy to.
Yeah, yeah, you can share.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if the meeting is canceled, that means a lot of folks are not here then. Does it make
Yeah, we
sense
should probably
to?
end, but yeah. Well, so why don't we'll just point out one thing and then we'll end, because I agree we need to uh let people. Oh, it's recovered. My computer crashed. Um, but I agree we should probably end, since we told people we weren't meeting. But anyway, I had added one because Dean had mentioned a debug group, but that's been merged into this group. So, and it covers diagnostics also. So that's the big change.
Yeah, yeah. I will add that the table for that. Yeah.
Yeah. And we'll get, so the goal of this drawing is not to be prescriptive. It's just to say, kind of, here's the big picture of all the stuff going on, and to show that we do have a plan to tie it all together. And also maybe to guide our next conversation and see what's interesting. So with that, I really could use the time. I got an FMFM paper and a conference to get ready for. So if there's nothing else urgent, maybe we can end there. Thanks, everyone.
Alright.
Bye.
See you then next week.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you. Right.
No,
Thank you.
thanks for all the
Yeah.
help and the feedback. We really appreciate it. This is pretty exciting. We're doing some cool things. I think
Oh,
we're
yeah.
really starting together.
Hey, Drew. Sorry. You got a sec? Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
happy to have it. Yeah, you gave a talk or something at IRPS this year, right?
Yes.
Yeah. How did that go? So I got asked to give a talk next year. So how did that go? I'm just kind of curious.
Pretty good. And I was planning to try to do a tutorial or something and go again.
Okay.
So well, if you want to, why don't we meet offline? And I don't know if you know this, but Charlie Slayton is like he
Yeah,
was
yeah,
a
yeah. He was the
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So
Yep.
maybe what we can do is talk to Charlie, and because Charlie and I are playing a tutorial, we can show you what we're thinking, and then that way our whatever you do, kind of complements what we're doing, and I can show you what I presented as well.
Okay. Yeah, that'd be cool. I just want to, just more information is better, right? So,
Yeah.
and it's yeah.
Well, and I think like my dream. So right now I'm doing some stuff with the silicon reliability people within Microsoft. And for them, it's like a whole new world has opened up because I can explain what errors mean in a way that they can use the error data we're generating for analysis. And I think they want to publish some papers on how they're doing viable analysis. So if that happens, I may even invite them to come talk here. But they're doing these 6-dimensional, Markov models, and I mean it's with Bayesian updates to the numbers. It's just like he calls it high school math, and I'm like, no high school ever. You're in a high school for geniuses. But
Yeah.
but anyway, so my dream is that if as we like silicon structures are changing rapidly, and if we can work more closely with that organization as we try to infer faults, we can go further in our inferences if we work together. That's kind of my assertion. And they were very, very, very receptive. I got invited to the president's house every night to talk to people. So so let's talk. I would love to work with you on that.
Okay.
And
Cool.
make sure whatever you do fits, like I think we can really connect with them in a powerful way.
Yeah, no, that's a lot of what I want to get, right? Because I've been there before and I gave a talk once before and it was architecture focused and like some people got it and some people were kind of like, I don't get it. Where's the voltage? Right.
Yeah.
And so that's I just want to pick your brain on like that, how to connect that way, right? So
Yeah, absolutely.
yeah.
Let's have if it's okay with you, maybe we can have a one-on-one and I'll work with you on it.
Yeah. Yeah. That'd be great. Thank you.
Cool. Okay. Hey, thanks
All right.
everybody. Yeah, apologies for the last minute cancellation. We just got, we're really trying to push hard to get this stuff out. But Anil, good news. Your in-band doc is like, it's just we're just waiting for them to copy it on the website pretty much.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks
All
everyone.
right. Thanks all. Bye.
Talk to y'all later.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.